Welcome back to our ICD 10 PCS 2025 series. In today's video, we're exploring Section 3, Administration, where we code procedures related to giving substances like medications, fluids, blood, or contrast agents into the body. This section is often used in infusion therapy, chemotherapy, transfusions, and injections. Let's break it down in a simple and easy way.
1. What is Section 3, Administration? Section 3 of ICD 10 PCS is all about administering substances, whether that's medication, nutrition, blood, or other fluids, into or onto the body. These procedures don't involve surgery or cutting. They just describe how something was given and where it went. Think of it like this. If something is being delivered into the body by mouth, injection, IV, or feeding tube, this is your section.
2. Code structure explained. Let's look at how an administration code is built using this example. Example code 3EO3305. This code means chemotherapy administered into a central vein using a percutaneous needle approach. Now let's explain each part in simple terms. First character, 3, section. This is administration, which covers delivering substances into the body. Second character, E, body system. This tells us the substance is being delivered to the circulatory system, like a vein. Third character, 0, route operation. The goal is introduction, which means the substance is just being put into the body, not doing surgery. Fourth character, 3, body part. This means the substance is going into a central vein, like the subclavian or jugular vein. Fifth character, 3, approach. The provider used a percutaneous method, meaning a needle or small incision. Sixth character, 0, substance. The substance was chemotherapy. Seventh character, 5, qualifier. The qualifier adds more detail. This one specifies into a central vein. This code means chemotherapy was given through a needle into a central vein.
3. Commonly used substances in administration. In Section 3, we don't choose a route operation like insertion or excision. Instead, the code tells us what was given the substance, where it went, the body part/system, how it got there, approach. Here are some of the most used substances in this section. 0. Antineoplastic chemotherapy. 1. Anti-infective, antibiotics. 2. Blood products. 3. Irrigating solutions. 4. Nutritional substances, like TPN. 5. Electrolyte solutions, like IV fluids. F. Immunotherapy. G. Local anesthetic. H. Radiologic contrast. Each number or letter in the 6th character spot represents what's being delivered.
4. Real-life coding examples. Easy explanations. Let's look at some real examples you might code in a hospital setting. Example 1. IV fluids for dehydration. Code 3E0430Z, meaning IV fluids, electrolytes, given through a peripheral vein using a needle. Example 2. Chemotherapy into a central vein. Code 3EO3305, meaning chemotherapy given through a central vein via percutaneous method. Example 3. Blood transfusion via central line. Code 30,233N1, meaning packed red blood cells infused into a central vein. Example 4. Oral antibiotic for inpatient. Code 3E0F7GC, meaning oral antibiotic given by mouth.
5. Coding tips. Here are some simple tips for coding Section 3 accurately. Focus on what is being given, not why. Use the correct approach, by mouth, IV, tube, or injection. Choose the right substance code based on the medical record. Know the location. Is it a central vein, peripheral vein, or stomach? Important. If the goal is therapeutic, like chemotherapy or antibiotics, Section 3 is the right place.
And that's a wrap on Section 3, Administration in ICD 10 PCS 2025. This section is used every day for coding injections, transfusions, IV fluids, chemotherapy, and more. The key is to understand what's being given, how, and where. In the next video, we'll explore Section 4, Measurement and Monitoring, which includes procedures for checking or tracking body functions.